Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone 13 is updated and your carrier supports 5G on your plan. Once done, install the active physical SIM or set up the eSIM and restart the phone so network settings refresh. Now tap Settings, choose Cellular, then Cellular Data Options. This is where you control radios. Make sure data is on. You're moving immediately from preparation into the settings screen, so you can flip radios and choose 5G preferences. You now pick the exact 5G mode that fits your use. Tap Voice and Data and select 5G Auto to balance battery or 5G On to prioritize speed. Make sure low data mode is off so apps can use full bandwidth. If you see Allow more data on 5G, enable it to permit higher quality streaming. If settings are grayed out, go back to Cellular and verify the correct SIM profile is active. Then restart the phone so carrier provisioning completes and the radio registers. You finish by confirming 5G connectivity. Check the status bar for 5G, 5G UC, or 5G UW while running a speed test near a known 5G site. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force a fresh registration. Make sure you're not in a Wi-Fi only area and that carrier restrictions aren't applied. If problems persist, reset network settings, then reapply the eSIM or reinsert the SIM. This usually resolves provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.